Hello, I'm the professor with a bow tie. Today we will learn how ask for something politely in Greek. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to my video if you like this video. Let's do the whiteboard. Let's start. The first way to ask something, it's not polite. Θέλω. I want. Θέλω. In this way, you can ask something from a friend or from your parents. This is more informal way to speak, to ask something. The second way and the most common is θα ήθελα. Θα ήθελα. I would like. I would like a glass of water, please. Θα ήθελα ένα ποτήρι νερό, παρακαλώ. Θα ήθελα. This is the most common way to ask something politely when you are in the cafeteria or when you are in a shop and you want to ask for something. Another polite way to ask is this one. Θα μπορούσα να έχω. Θα μπορούσα να έχω. Could I have? And at the end of this sentence, we use the question mark. And also the tone of the voice must be changed. Θα μπορούσα να έχω ένα ποτήρι νερό? Could I have a glass of water? And in this way, θα ήθελα ένα ποτήρι νερό. Θα ήθελα ένα ποτήρι νερό. I would like a glass of water. Θα μπορούσα να έχω ένα ποτήρι νερό? Could I have a glass of water? In this way we say what we want, we would like, and in this way we ask. And the final way is this one. Μπορώ να έχω. Μπορώ να έχω. The common in these two ways of asking something is that at the end of the phrases we use the question mark and we change the tone of our voice. Θα μπορούσα να έχω ένα ποτήρι νερό? Could I have a glass of water? Μπορώ να έχω ένα ποτήρι νερό? Can I have a glass of water? So, the polite ways are three. Polite, polite, polite. And the verb θέλω, I want, we use it when we speak to our closest ones. In these two ways, we don't ask, but we say what we want. So, at the end of the sentence, we put a full stop. And these two phrases need, at the end of the sentences, a question mark. The Greek question mark is this one. Θέλω. I want. Θα ήθελα. I would like. Θα μπορούσα να έχω. Could I have? Μπορώ να έχω. Can I have? Θέλω. Θα ήθελα. Θα μπορούσα να έχω. Μπορώ να έχω. Thank you very much for watching.